this is really important, right? The 4 pillars of the vault. So if anybody is participating in our testimonial contest, these are the 4 pillars that we want you guys to talk about. All right. We want you to record and this is a way to get a extra raffle ticket, but also a chance to win $500 if you're first place, or get an hour coaching with me if you're second or third. First things first, self-custody, right? The reason why we're so different from the funds and some of the stuff that's out there is because you don't actually take your money, right? Like, you control your investment. We have 600, maybe $700,000 in the liquidity pool on Uniswap. You can sell your tokens anytime you want. Anytime you want. That gives you that control over your investment, right? And we have tons of liquidity providers, so it's not like one wallet controls the entire liquidity pool. That can be a risk sometimes in crypto. And yeah, so all your money goes into a smart contract, and you get to keep control. You can't do that with, some funds that are out there. You can't really do that with, broker accounts. Like, it's pretty awesome. Transparency is a big part of it, right? You guys get to meet with me twice a week for specifically managed vault stuff, the MV Mondays and these classes. You could talk to me where we have a Discord. We get back to you, right? You obviously can ask me Q&A in the Monday classes. Diversification is a big part of it too. Oh, and before I get there, sorry guys, I'm fasting, so and I've been back to back on a bunch of stuff, so my head's not all the way there. So I'm doing my best at keeping up. But transparency also is part of the on-chain asset management, right? Like, we're a vault on the blockchain. You can see every move we make. You can see every trade I make, every pool I set up. You can go and see the ranges of those pools if you wanted. You can see how much it's making. You can see, what we have in Aave. You can see what depositors are doing. You can see what fees are being taken out. It's all there for you to see. It's pretty awesome. Transparent, right? Another thing is diversification, right? If you read any book on investing, most of the times they're going to tell you to be diversified, right? Don't just go for the big home runs. You want an even portfolio. You want something that has a little bit of everything. Well, when we're talking about crypto, we're diversified. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and all these blue chips, right? We're diversified across blue chips. So highly ranked industry leaders, right? And again, through one token, which is Taurus, that you can just conveniently buy on Uniswap, you get access to 13 different investments and, 3 different strategies, liquidity pools, liquidity pool mining, and the Aave strategy, along with take profit being taken care of for you, rotations being taken care of for you, us monitoring, the market and seeing where the best opportunities are, all taken care of for you, right? And that's the fully managed part. Me and Gaven, we're talking about the vault like almost every day. We're always looking at moves, right? Like, there's like another 47K in the vault. So we have some funds to deploy, and I'm gonna look at some stuff and really get it out there. But yeah, it's pretty awesome, all this stuff. So the Taurus Managed Vault, right? Now this is gonna be ARC MV Taurus. Yeah, it's just literally gonna be called ARC MV Taurus. So sorry, that's changed that we just did today, so that I didn't have time to update any slides or anything. But you can think of the ARC Taurus Managed Vault as the S&P 500 of the DeFi space, right? We choose the industry leaders. We don't go and try to pick the early opportunities for the high risk, high reward. We try to stay with what's established and what's fundamental and all of this, right? That one token gives you exposure to 13 different assets and a variety of strategies. We're invested in quality. We manage half the portfolio in liquidity pools, and that's a big reason of why people prefer us for their liquidity pools, is because we're managing it. I understand ranges. I understand how the market moves. I understand how to not have impermanent loss affect us on re-ranges. And through this portfolio this liquidity pool strategy that we actually have a strategy called liquidity pool mining, right? And that's where we're focused on accumulating more quantity of the stuff that we believe in, right? You want to be an accumulator, not a speculator. If you want to be a speculator, you can go leverage trade. If you want to be an accumulator, you can go be an investor, right? Investors buy shares. They love equity. They love owning more of what they believe in. And that's what the vault is doing, right? We take our profit, at least while we're going to be in this bull cycle, we're going to be taking profit into Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana, right? Bitcoin and ETH is like king and queen, and Solana is like that uprising, I don't know, prince or whatever, princess. I can't make this analogy work further, but that's where we take our profit. We solidify it in the most blue chip, at least in our opinion. And we want to accumulate more Bitcoin. We want to accumulate more ETH and more Solana as the positions in our portfolios perform. And we offer a tax deferred vehicle to maximize the benefits of a bull run for you. We can take the profit inside the vault, and that doesn't have to be a tax liability for you.